Straumann SIRIOS portfolio. How to send to Chairside Smart Design. Select Crown and Bridge to create a new patient case. Enter patient information. If the patient information already exists, their name will already be listed. Select Add Patient. Add all patient information. Note that all fields are mandatory. To remove patient information, use the Remove Patient option. To define restoration details, click on the desired tooth within the dental chart. Select the restoration. Then, select the desired material. Use your favorite shade guide to select the proper shade. Review the case details. To change them, click the tooth and edit. Click Next to start the scan. Make sure to follow the scan sequence. It can be edited in the settings. Click on the Scan button on the handpiece to start the scanner. Make sure to acquire all necessary data as well as 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. Tips: use different angles to acquire difficult areas. Make sure to properly dry the area before scanning. Mark the preparation area using the Mark Prep tool. You can enlarge the area by dragging the small circle. Note that the data captured using the Mark Prep tool will be processed in higher resolution. Use the Mode button on the handpiece to move to the next screen. Antagonist Arch Scan. Bite Scan. Scan 3 to 4 teeth on both sides. The scanner will stop when the software has enough data. Select Validate Occlusal Distance to confirm the bite registration was done properly. Place the scan file in the axis of insertion and select the Check for Undercuts tool to confirm that there's no undercut on your preparation area. The undercuts will be displayed in red. Select Next to move to the export screen. Select Chairside Smart Design and check the prescription box. Then click Send. Once exported, the Straumann Access platform will launch with a Smart Design order setup. This way, you can connect directly to Smart Design and easily print with Straumann Signature Midas. One integrated workflow. Fast, simple, and fully digital.